Hey guys, welcome to Art Today. It's Mrs. Baez. Today we're going to be creating a snowman using different kinds of paper and cutting out some shapes. For this project you will need a blue paper, a white paper, a red rectangle, and an orange rectangle. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to take my white paper. This is going to be the head of my snowman. So I'm going to take a pencil. You guys should use a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie though so you can see it. And I'm going to draw a nice big head, okay? Vamos a hacer la cabeza primero y la cabeza es un círculo. Entonces voy a dibujar un círculo grande. I don't want to draw a really small circle. I want to try to use as much as my paper as I can. I'm going to draw it nice and big. Okay? And remember, if you don't like your circle, you can either erase it, that's why we use a pencil, or you have another try on the back. I should not see circles that look like this. That's not a circle. What is that? That is an oval, okay? I also shouldn't see a really small circle, okay? Try to do it as big as you can. After you're done drawing the circle, we're going to go ahead and cut it out. Now, don't throw this away yet because you may use this. So now I'm going to take my circle and take my blue paper. I want to glue it near the bottom of my blue paper. Do you think it's better to put glue on my blue paper or my white paper? ¿Qué tú piensas? ¿Qué es mejor? ¿A poner la ega aquí o aquí? If you think the white paper, you are correct. I'm going to go ahead and put glue in a nice big circle, creating a spiral on my white paper. Next, I'm going to glue it close to the bottom of my paper like this. Okay? I'm going to press that down nicely. Next, I'm going to add my face. I'm going to start with my orange rectangle here. Using your pencil, you're going to turn this rectangle into a nice big triangle. I'm going to do it like this. See how big this triangle is? This end here is the top of my triangle. And this is going to be my nice carrot nose. Voy a usar este triángulo para nariz. Now you can put it sideways like this, down like this, or even up if you want. I'm not going to glue it yet though. First, I'm going to take my red rectangle here, and this is going to be my scarf at the bottom of my snowman. For this, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little smaller, and at the end, make a shape like this. It's kind of like two triangles or two mountains at the end of it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Right here. So here's my scarf. I want to glue this at the very end of my paper right here so it looks like this is the neck and it's not a flying head. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the back of this. And I'm going to glue that at the very bottom of my paper. Okay? After this, I'm then going to glue my nose down. I waited because I thought this might overlap this a little bit, which means go on top of it. So now I'm going to glue on my nose. At this time, you want to get either crayons or markers, and we're going to add some details to our snowman. The first thing I'm going to add is some eyes. I'm going to make circle eyes for my snowman. You can decide how you want to draw them. I'm going to color the whole thing in black, okay? Next, I'm going to add a mouth. So I'm also going to do circles for the mouth. There's one, 2. This one's covered a little bit. 3. There's part of a circle there. 4. And 5. If you want to add a little lines onto your carrot, it'll make it look more like a carrot nose, just like this. And now I'm going to add a pattern onto my scarf. Remember, we created patterns with our last project when we made our mittens. To create a pattern, I'm going to choose a crayon. I'm going to choose a purple crayon. And on my scarf here, I'm going to make some stripes. I'm going to start by just drawing lines going down. Then, with my crayon, I'm going to color in every other stripe. So I'm making a pattern of colors. You can make a different pattern if you want to, but my pattern goes purple, red, purple, y ahora en español, rojo, morado, rojo, morado, rojo, y finalmente morado. Now I have the basic part of my snowman finished. For my final things, I can add decorations. For example, if I would want to take some of this paper, I could make a small hat for my snowman. I could also take this paper and cut out some little circles or shapes, and I can use them as snowflakes in the background of my snowman. I could also, if you have a white crayon, take a white crayon and draw some snowflakes behind it. Just like this. Okay? When you are done, make sure your name is on the back, and then you're ready to turn it in. Remember, all things that you used go into the dirty bin, which is the green bin. All trash that you have that is paper goes into the recycling bin. And make sure you clean up all the space around you, okay? I hope you did a great job. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope your snowman looks amazing. Bye, guys.